Welcome to True Health. Today, I want to share with you one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories, fresh ginger. This natural wonder is packed with medicinal properties that can make a huge difference in your health. You might be wondering, what makes ginger so special? Let me explain. Freshly sliced ginger root contains remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Unlike powdered ginger, often treated as a spice, fresh ginger is a treasure trove for those seeking natural ways to enhance their health. What makes it so powerful? Ginger is rich in bioactive compounds like gingerols and pyridols, which work directly on the body's inflammatory processes. These compounds inhibit inflammatory pathways and reduce the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, combating inflammation at the cellular level. Why is this important? Inflammation is the root cause of nearly every illness. Whether it's gastritis, colitis, dermatitis, or autoimmune diseases, they all share one common factor: inflammation. Ginger helps break this cycle and supports healing. And stay tuned until the end, because I'll share a family recipe for my favorite tea, an unbeatable remedy for soothing cold and flu symptoms. You're going to love it. Beyond its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger is an incredible digestive ally. It stimulates saliva and gastric juice production, making food easier to break down. It also relaxes gastrointestinal muscles, promoting smooth movement through the digestive system. If you experience bloating, cramps, or irritable bowel syndrome, adding ginger to your diet could make a significant difference. Ginger is also a well-known natural remedy for nausea. From morning sickness to discomfort caused by medical treatments like chemotherapy, ginger can provide quick and natural relief. Undoubtedly, ginger is one of the greatest natural allies for health. It acts on both the nervous system and the digestive system, reducing nausea and preventing vomiting. Whether it's pregnancy-related nausea, indigestion, or motion sickness, ginger speeds up gastric emptying for fast relief. But the benefits don't stop there. Rich in antioxidants like zingerone and gingerol, ginger fights free radicals, protecting our cells from premature aging and oxidative stress. These compounds also have antimicrobial and antiviral properties, strengthening the immune system and reducing inflammation in the body. Additionally, ginger is a powerful ally against metabolic issues. It improves insulin sensitivity, helping regulate blood sugar levels, and reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. For heart health, ginger aids in lowering cholesterol, improving circulation, and relaxing blood vessels, promoting a healthier heart. Who hasn't experienced pain? Whether acute or chronic, ginger offers relief with its anti-inflammatory properties, helping to ease everything from muscle discomfort to more serious conditions. Never underestimate the power of ginger. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can be incredibly helpful for pain relief. Ginger works by blocking the production of inflammatory mediators like prostaglandins, offering relief from muscle problems, arthritis, joint pain, cramps, and more. Where there is inflammation, there is dysfunction, and ginger is a safe ally without the side effects that anti-inflammatory drugs can have on the liver and kidneys. Additionally, ginger also supports brain health. Thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, bioactive compounds like gingerol cross the blood-brain barrier to protect brain cells. This reduces oxidative stress, prevents neuronal damage, and enhances cognitive function, helping with memory and protecting against diseases like Alzheimer's. If you're trying to lose weight, ginger can be a powerful ally. It has a thermogenic effect, helping burn calories, boost metabolism, and promote fat burning. It also increases satiety, reducing the craving for sweets. Combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, ginger can significantly aid in weight management. Another great benefit is its support for the respiratory system. Ginger acts as a natural bronchodilator, helping open the airways for easier breathing. During colds, flu, or allergies, it reduces inflammation, fights viruses and bacteria, and clears mucus, providing almost immediate relief. Incorporating ginger into your routine is easier than you might think. Try adding fresh ginger to your juices, smoothies, or favorite dishes. If you prefer, just chew a small piece, and let its bioactive compounds work their magic. Your body will thank you. Here's a powerful recipe for my go-to anti-flu tea that never lets me down. The moment you notice the first signs of a scratchy throat, prepare and start drinking it. You can have it 1 to 3 times a day by making a batch and sipping throughout. This tea boosts your immunity, enhances respiratory response, and alleviates symptoms quickly. However, always remember to consult a doctor to ensure you receive the best care for your health. Ingredients: 1 liter of boiling water, a small piece of fresh ginger, peeled and thickly sliced, 2 cloves of garlic, peeled and slightly crushed, 1 small onion, or half of a large one, halved, half a lemon, to squeeze at the end, 2 to 4 cloves, clove buds, and the last one, honey to taste, but it is optional. Preparation: boil the water in a pot. Add the ginger, garlic, onion, and cloves to the boiling water. Lower the heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes to allow the active compounds to be released. Turn off the heat and squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the mixture. Strain the tea, sweeten with honey if you prefer, and drink while warm. If you can chew on the cooked ginger pieces for added benefits. This tea is a simple way to boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and fight flu symptoms. These benefits are just the beginning. Incorporating fresh ginger into your routine is an easy and effective way to care for your body and reduce inflammation. So, why not make a delicious tea right now? Try the pure tea or the flu-fighting version I taught you, and see how it can transform your health. Share this knowledge with your loved ones, and start using ginger in your everyday life. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And remember, love yourself and take care of yourself. Your well-being deserves it. See you in the next video.